extremely jealous of you, fake drama as well. What the actual mystery you are, that irritating them more, ignoring everyone, want your me time, and they are like in their jealousy, getting obsessed over you. This abundance waiting for you. Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your forecast reading for the month of February, first week of February. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidance from these readings, and if it's not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this separate. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you, and what their feelings towards you. Okay, Leo, let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? And we are having here Knight of Swords, Six of Pentacles, High Priestess, Five of Wands. What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Leo feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Ace of Wands, King of Wands, Six of Swords, the Empress. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Queen of Wands, the Strength. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. It could be any Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands, Ace of Wands, King of Wands, and Queen of Wands. Leo with this Strength card, Aquarius with this Empress, Pisces with this High Priestess, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this King of Sword, Six of Sword, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Six of Pentacles. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling here, and definitely this person's family, this person's friend, this person's anything, anyone, someone definitely really mad at you, jealous of you, and straightforward. This person, someone from this person's side, really jealous of you, and everyone that belong to this person's side is discussing about you because you are a high priestess here. Because it's hard, you know your value, you know your worth, and you are like a high priestess for in their eyes. It's hard to know what the actual mystery you are. You are a mystery, you are a secret for them, and they are just discussing about you. They want to know you, and after all this discussion, all these arguments and opinions, and multiple opinions about you and your personality, about your, your figure, your the way you carry yourself, and try to decode you, try to know more about you. And the thing is that in the end, the result is you are a high priestess for them, a complete mystery. They don't know what is in you, what is like making you so special. They want to know that, Leo. This is definitely this person's side is discussing about you, and the result, when they are discuss about you, not find what is in you, why you are like a mystery for them, they get jealous extremely. This is the first card in this person's chart. Someone definitely from this person's extremely jealous of you, and they are discussing about you, all of them talking about you, discussing about this Five of Wands. There is some kind of discussion there, fake drama as well. Like they are like they are like drama there, family drama is happening in this person's side, and the topic is you. And this person is like feel like you are like this person is feel like that you always support this person. You are so generous here, you are so supportive here, and this person like it's so generous towards you and so supportive towards you. Like you both are like helping each other, supporting each other in every matter, and this person using your resources. And this is happening between give and take between both of you. This is the card about your person, but the side, this person's side, these two cards, whenever this come together, paired with a Knight of Sword and with this Five of Wands, definitely someone jealous from this person's side, and they're discussing about you. And with this, High Priestess, you are a complete mystery for them, It's hard to know what is in you, why you are so like that, why you are so attractive, why you are so like you are humble as well, and that's causing them, that irritating them more. The way you are like so glowing, so charming, charismatic, but humble as well, and that a complete irritation for them. This, they are like totally, someone definitely jealous of you, and they are discussing about you. And in your side, if we talk about your side, there is a passion in you when you complete a task and something new began for you, and you feel so energetic, you feel so fresh. There is enthusiasm in you with this ace of wands. There is some kind of, enthusiasm in you, freshness, a fresh spark of energy switch inside you, and you are like become so, your social status, everything is enhanced. You become the center of attention here with this king of wands. You are like in your charisma, in a complete charisma, complete charm, and you become so charming and like so careless from this person's side, and in your own energy, in your empress energy, carefree, like ignoring everyone, and like putting every negativity behind and moving on in your life with this positivity and charisma in you and charm. And there is some kind of, you are so appealing, with this, with these all these cards, and you are putting everything negative things behind and moving on in your life, and that's making you more charismatic and more charming, with these two cards. Just check this pattern. You are so charismatic, you are so charming here, and there is something new, fresh passion inside you. And this person, if we talk about the mutual energy and this person's feelings towards you, they find you so attractive. And yes, you are so attractive with this king, with this queen, this feelings towards you, a passion switch inside you, or you are so like care, kind, nourishing your environment, making everything beautiful. You the entering the empress energy, and this person feels so like attractive. You are so attractive for this person. They find you so charismatic, a beauty, and with this, you are the center of attention here with this queen of wands, and you have a complete strength on yourself, complete strength on your feelings, your emotions, and you are like, you are not letting your feelings mislead you, and you have a complete strength on you. You're so strong in this situation, your position is so strong, you are so strong in this situation, in this connection. You are you become more strong and strongly become a charismatic and charming personality here. And that's the reason, uh, jealous, someone extremely jealous of you. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. What else we have for you, Leo? What else we have for Leo? And we are having here two of cups, four of sword, and the devil. Wow, this person feel like that you are so attractive, you are so charming for this person. This person feels some kind of bond with you. This person feel like that there is some kind of connection, there is some kind of strings attached with you, and you want to take a rest. All this drama, this jealousy, and this everything, you want to take a rest, a space. You want to, you want to be alone for a moment. You want your me time, and in your me time, you want to take rest from all this drama and all this jealousy. You feel like that, but you are a center of attention. Don't be like, be bold and be accept, and don't afraid of being a center of attention with this queen of wands and with this king of wands. But the thing is that you also take up, sometimes make you sick, everyone talking about you and jealous of you, and you want to take a rest, and but no rest for you, because obsession, every one of them, especially this person that really jealous of you, and this your person with this two of cups, obsessing over you, negative obsession, and the obsession like obsession, really obsessed over you. This person is really obsessed over you, and their side is getting obsessed over you, and they're surrounding you. There is some kind of obsession surrounding you, a karmic pull between both of you, a pull between both of you. You feel like you keep thinking about them, and this they are getting obsessed. They are getting obsessed over you. they are like in their jealousy, getting obsessed over you, this person getting obsessed over you, a lot of obsession there. And that's how I think you feel so tired. When you know, a lot of obsession surround you, you feel so tired with this four of sword obsession waiting for you. Okay, let's see what should you do in this situation, how to heal, how to deal, what should you avoid. What for more information, what else we have for you? And we are having here Three of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles. A lot of stability, a lot of pentacles here. And there is a new project. Just pay attention on a new project waiting for you. And this is about stability, family, and a good thing, a good project. Maybe something about your family. A new project is waiting for you. And with the Six of Pentacles, you are so generous here, you are so supportive here, you are, there is some kind of, money exchange between both of you, the equal give and take. I think maybe you are so generous in this situation, you are so like this is beneficial for you, something is benefiting in upcoming days, something a new project, maybe from your family side. And there is like a lot of abundance waiting for you. Be generous here, uh, generous towards giving and taking love and resources. Let's see what your angel want to add in this situation. What your angel want to add in this situation. Spend time alone in nature, meditating about your desires and intentions. Ask the angel to help you gain a positive perspective. This is a beautiful, relevant message from your angel, because there is upcoming days, there is obsession waiting for you, and that obsession make you tired, and you need to, spend time alone. Yes, you want to spend time alone, meditate. You should meditate and take care of yourself. And there is a new project waiting for you. There is, yeah, there is a lot of new abundance waiting for you. Okay, let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Pray. Pray to the God for peace in your life. Walk. Walk on grass barefoot. Share your feelings with your friends. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is someone definitely jealous of you, and everyone is discussing about you. And there is some kind of a new project waiting for you, a lot of abundance. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.